Hello. Okay, this video is made specially to Pretty Holly or Ate Lucky Laline. Okay, this video is just for her and to thank her for what she sent me. Okay, first, for those who don't know what I'm talking about, okay, the first is Pretty Holly is a YouTube Pinay guru here. Yeah, here in YouTube. Okay, and I'm going to link her channel down there. Yeah. So okay, and then she said, well, she had a contest and I entered and yeah, I won. So okay, I was one of the winners and she saw my other videos and I don't know. She said she liked it, so I'm so happy. And she said that she's going to send some maybe stuff, yeah. And I was so excited. So okay, okay, let's go to what she sent. Okay, so first is she sent me this really cute colors of nail polish. They're really, really cute. And hey, there's 8 of them. And then can you hear the music? Jesus. Hey, so she chose really nice colors. I really like all of them. So here are the non-glitter. See, they're really, really cute. And here are the glittery ones. See? And I tried it on my friend's nails, and it really looks nice. So thank you for that. And she also sent me this nail art thing. And obviously I've opened them already. They were supposed to be in a cute packaging, and I was so excited, so I just removed it. But I have a picture. Maybe I'm going to post it after this video. Okay. So, and she sells it in her shop, and I'm also going to link it down, so you can look at it and order some nice things, because it's really, really nice. Her she sells really nice makeup, and it has really good quality and very affordable. So kids, this is her side, and then she also sent me this, and I'm so excited to use this together with all of what she sent me, the nail things. I'm so excited. But if you have watched my other video, the one that DIY do it yourself simple summer hair accessory, maybe look at it. And I said there that I couldn't make nail tutorials because of school. So okay, this is a fine glitter, I guess. Doesn't say that glitter. And then this is the one that should be supposed to be the only prize that I have that she earned. So this is supposed to be the only gift that I will receive. But she is so nice and really generous to give me more. So thank you. And here it is. Obviously I have opened it already and I have used it. This is a fake lashes. Yeah, and it's really, really nice. You can see. She also sells this in her shop, which I am going to link down there. And yeah, it's really nice. I'm so happy that I have this. This is my first artificial lashes, fake lashes, yeah. And it also comes with a loop. And then, yeah, this one. She also sent this. It's really nice. She gave me this. And this is pink and has polka dots in it. You see? It's really nice. I really like it. I really like everything that she sent to me. Thank you so much, Ability. And then for the most touching part of them all is this part with her handwriting in here. And it says that Bunso Bunny, that's my name, Bunny, and Bunso is the Tagalog word for little sister or little sibling. We're not related, but it's just a okay. So Bunny, thanks for being so nice and supportive. Hope you will like this. I love always Ate Lassie. Ate Lassie, yeah. Thank you so much for everything. And of course, sino ba naman ang hindi magsusupport sa'yo at kasi talaga, super nice and approachable, yun. Kasi makontak lang kita na ganun. Thank you so much for the gift you sent me and more power to you. God bless you and see you soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.